One of the best ways to help get the word out about your practice, connect with your audience, and let them get to know you is by going live on social media, streaming in-the-moment video content directly to them. Hey guys, Shanice here, and I know broadcasting live can be a little intimidating, but in this video, I'll go over 3 tips that have helped my clients go live on social media in order to make it a little bit easier for you to start sharing your own live posts. Don't forget to subscribe to the Vybz Studios YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to receive an alert every time we share new content. Okay, number 1, plan as much as you can. People can usually tell when broadcasters start a live video without any agenda whatsoever and will exit the live broadcast right after joining. Let planning be your best friend. Create an outline so that you have clear direction on your talk points and what's happening next. Number 2, add value or tell a story, or combine both into a valuable story. Simply think about the intention of your video and make sure that your live video focuses on that intention. Expand on that intention by telling a story, which should have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Following this format will organize your thoughts and give you a simple structure to work with. Number 3, bring someone else into your live post. People will feel more inclined to engage with you if they see someone else interacting with you. And here's an added bonus. It'll make you feel less nervous about going solo. It's a win-win. Okay, hopefully those 3 tips for going live on social media will help you get the ball rolling. Remember, we're all human and it's totally okay if you make a mistake. Sometimes that actually works out in your favor, humanizing your brand. If you'd like to learn more about how you can attract more patients to your practice and retain them for life, pre-register for my Patient Growth Accelerator program today. Or if you prefer to partner with an agency that will handle everything else for you, check out visualvybstudios.com to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Vybz Studios YouTube channel for more helpful content.